So can you tell me a bit about what you'll be talking about today at the seminar?
I'm going to be talking about the awesome power of exhibitions and how to make the most of the exhibition presence. I'm going to teach people the secrets of exhibition success and making sure that they really go away from the show, maximising the benefits that the show can bring. The audience that's coming through the door is their audience, and if they engage, collect and follow up those leads properly, they're going to close their candidates as they require. In an exhibition, more than any other media, you have a greater opportunity to meet your objectives. It's important to have a good exhibition because you've invested a lot of time, money and energy in it, and my top tips are: set your objectives, measurable objectives before you get to the show, design your stand to meet those objectives and talk to as many people as possible, and then finally follow up those leads. Make sure you keep communicating to that audience time and time again so that you're front of the queue and they're making their decision.